Hello again, welcome back. Samsung S7 battery change. It's an old phone, I know, but it's a friend asked me to replace the battery for them, so I'll do it. Okay, this is a preheating mat, set it to about 60 degrees. I'll allow it to heat up the back just so that it softens the adhesive around the edges. Leave that on for a couple of minutes. Okay. Tool what I will be using is a little frame tool just to get into the back, and then possibly use these little plastic things to cut through, and failing that I will be using play cards. Something like this. Works like magic. Yep, that's all. Phone's fixed. I'm gonna say adios to you guys. Yes, it was a minute. No 5 minute. No 5 minute. Okay. Happy days. Phone's working. Should be fine. So I'm gonna plug it into charge and leave it alone for the moment. That's all, guys. Have fun. Stay well. Stay safe, and I shall speak to you soon. Peace.